flashlight?
Yeah.
Toss me.
Hold up. Oh. Can you say hole? Alright, let's go.
Toss me flashlight. Fucking see.
Here, let me go first then.
Where are you? I just want to know where the drop.
No, you hear them below us?
Alright, I found it. You got it?
Yeah.
Trying to lift this way.
Again, Jay.
Trying to lift this way. Me!
Total?
Yeah.
Did you get down and then climb back up?
No, she didn't want to.
Yeah, let's
I
go.
feel bad.
Why?
Stuck down there.
Guys, my knees hurt.
Wait, stop. Sam, people have been this way?
Is it weird that I'm just randomly in here with a
Go
bunch
that
of
way,
you
I'll follow
guys?
you.
Sorry.
I've never been in there. That'll be sick as fuck. Let's go, dude.
Let's do this.
Hey, Coleman, you look sexy, man.
I know, man.
You got some sweat down.
It's water. I poured it all
Sam,
over
you
me.
gotta go, man. I'm not as agile as you. My nuts are hung like a horse. Man, dude, you're like a cave explorer.
I'm gonna go drop my iPod off.